Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a golf key. A golf key, or more accurately, a Volkswagen golf key fob, is your car's electronic access device. It allows you to remotely lock and unlock your vehicle, and often contains a transponder chip that communicates with your car's engine for security. Many fobs also have a hidden mechanical key for manual entry, especially if the battery dies. Understanding its components is the first step to opening it safely. Before you begin, gather your tools. You'll typically need a small flat blade screwdriver or even a sturdy coin to gently pry open the key fob. It's also crucial to have the correct replacement battery on hand. Many Volkswagen Golf fobs use a CR2032 or CR2025 coin battery. Always work on a clean, well-lit surface to ensure you don't misplace any tiny components during the process. Now, let's get to opening your key fob. If your key has a flip-out blade, extend it first. Next, carefully examine the fob for a small slot or seam, usually near where the mechanical key retracts or along the edge. Insert your flat blade screwdriver or coin into this opening. With gentle but firm pressure, twist the tool or pry upwards to carefully separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. Once open, you'll see the battery. Carefully pry out the old battery and insert the new one, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces up. Then, align the two halves of your key fob and gently press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Test your key to ensure it functions correctly. For a little extra fun, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Proper reassembly ensures your key fob remains protected and fully functional for daily use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.